Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Toloco massage gun is not charging, the issue can be with the charger, port or battery. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the steps in order to fix it properly. So first of all, you need to verify whether the charger is correct. Most of the Tolco models require around 24 to 25.2 volt power adapters and not the regular phone chargers. So if you are using the wrong charger, it won't charge at all. So after doing so, when you have found that your charger is correct, you need to try a different power outlet as well. You can inspect the charging cable for damage and the loose connections, because sometimes a faulty cable is one of the most common reasons for the charging failure. After doing so, simply check the charging port on the massage gun. Look for any kind of dust, lint or loose connectors. If you are able to find any, you just have to simply gently clean them and plug the charger in firmly. After doing so, you can also plug the device in and leave it on charging for about 10 to 15 minutes, even if there is no light. Then simply unplug it and try turning it on again and reconnect again. This is going to help reset the internal charging system as well. So you can try all of these steps one by one in a row and see if your Tolco massage gun is now charging properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.